Katie, we're gonna upload this to your YouTube channel.
Oh wait. When the fireworks are done, okay?
Yep.
I'll tell you what to name it, okay?
Okay, let me zoom in a little bit. I just want to celebrate. Oh, another day of. Are you just taking pictures?
I'm so excited.
Yeah.
Vulcan!
You see him? Okay, Daddy's got to be able to see it too, though, so I can make sure I get them all in it. They're dropping the ball this year. Well, no, but I mean...
Our dog is a boy. Hi.
Look, Vulcan's dancing.
Yeah.
Thank God Almighty, I'm free at last. There we go.
Was that it or not?
No, wait till the finale is the good stuff.
Yay!
Finale is where they do lots of crazy fireworks. You know, Daddy was a kid, that's what he used to always ask.
What?
Same thing, I'm like, was that the finale? Was that the finale? And then the finale would happen, and I was like, that's the finale.
That doesn't look like a... That looks like a finale.
No, not yet.
I was like, that looks like a finale.
Song makes me think of Rocky. Whoa.
Is this the finale?
Nope.
Yeah, that's right.
See, you're just like Daddy.
Yeah.
It looks better right here. That looks way better. Daddy's gonna stop
No,
recording.
don't. No, don't.
I've got to, because
Alright.
I'm gonna record the finale, okay?
Alright.
Okay.